Hi guys, today I'll show you how to make the best japchae. Let's go! Cover the dried shitake mushrooms with boiling water and soak for 1 hour. Squeeze the mushrooms tightly and slice them. Mince garlic, julienne carrot, julienne courgette, julienne pork. Blanch the spinach briefly in boiling water with a pinch of salt. Rinse with cold water, then squeeze out the water. Pour in 2 liters of cold water. Sweet potato noodles in. 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. Increase the heat to the highest setting, bring to a boil, and cook for 5 minutes. Make sure stir well to prevent sticking. After 5 minutes, drain and place in a bowl. Sesame oil in, vegetable oil in, mix well and set aside. Preheat the pan. Add cooking oil, add garlic, add pork, add shitake mushrooms. Cook for a minute. Add courgettes, add carrots, add enoki mushrooms, add spinach. Mix well. Pour cooked noodles into the pan. Add sugar. Add dashida MSG. Add miwon MSG. Add soy sauce. Mix well. For the plating, just put it on a plate and sprinkle with some sesame seeds. Finally, the perfect japchae is ready. In case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.